Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Shreya and I'll be really happy if you subscribe to my channel now. Also, I'm quite active on Instagram and here's my Instagram handle, so do follow me there. Today we're gonna talk about what's there in a cabin crew's bag because I know most of you are very interested in cabin crew lifestyle. So this is a very common question that what's there inside your cabin crew bag and why do you always carry a stroller with you? So today you're gonna get that answer. Now without much ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so here's my stroller which I carry every day with me whenever I go for a flight, be it a layover flight, be it a day return flight or be it a airport standby. I always have to carry this with me. All cabin crew are supposed to carry this bag with them because we never know where we might end up. If at all we have to operate a flight, this bag is a must. So now I'm just gonna show what's inside this bag. Let's start with the first chain. So in the first chain I have my wallet, then I have a comb. Okay, so I've got a couple of pens here with me, then I have a pencil, a smaller comb, then sanitizer which is a must these days, and I've got my charger. Just keep it here for the time being. Now the next thing I have some documents are here. So I have my passport here. There's this torch, and again it's a mandatory item which we have to carry, a torch and what do we call it, loose cells which we have to carry for the torch. And then there's this it's some vaccination certificate and it's some insurance which is to be done from our company's end, so we always carry this with us. Now this one is my competency card. It's more of a license. So we have all our trainings date mentioned over here, our first flight and all the drills like fire drills, smoke drills, slide drills, everything is mentioned over here. So it's like our license which we have to carry with us. Without this we cannot go and operate a flight. So again, a very mandatory item here. In the next chain, okay, so I have here my company ID card and there's this AP, it is called Airport Entry Pass. Without this you won't get entry in the airport. Even if you are wearing a uniform, we won't get entry without this, so it's mandate. Then next up I have this small pouch where I have my accessories as in my watch. Again, it's mandatory to wear a watch for a cabin crew. Then I have this neck piece and my earphones, and I have here my name badge. So yeah, that's what we have inside this small pouch. Next up we have a hand cream which is must these days because sanitizers से हाथ इतने ज़्यादा फट जाते हैं, so you have to use a hand cream. So again, a hand cream here. And here's this QRH. I was not supposed to write my name over here, but anyway, this is quick reference book in case there's anything which we need to take a reference with regards to safety or anything. We have this book with us, so just in case we know that we are doing everything by the book, we have the book with us. So yeah, I'll just keep them back so that it would be a bit easy for me. And this book is always there in the front pocket. Again, a mandate item which we have to carry, and in every cabin crew's bag you'll get this QRH and license called competency card with them. Now let's open the big guy now. Okay, alright. So here in this chain I've got some sanitary napkins and some notes which my best friend and the best friend gave me. So yeah, that's there. Then I have a handbag with me. I always carry, most of the times I carry it. Then I've got a face wipe here. Then I've got fragrance lotion. Then again a body lotion here. Then I've got a pair of formal heels with me. It's a bit dirty, you guys, but yeah, I mean, I haven't cleaned it from months because I, never had the chance to wear it. But anyway, here's this formal heels with me, which again is a mandate item. We have to carry one formal pair of, footwear and a casual wear. So that's my formal wear, and this one is my casual wear, which I have with me. Then I've got this book, Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Until now, I haven't finished reading it, but yeah, I always keep a novel or a book with me so that just in case I'm, getting bored in flight, so I have something I can pass my time with. Then I've got a stocking with me. Again, we have to carry one at least just for the safer side because you never know कब कौन फट जाए, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी स्टॉकिंग्स खत्म हो जाती है, so it's a mandate for me. Then here I have got my makeup pouch. I've got almost everything in this small pouch. I have this mirror here, then lipsticks and mascara, lip balm, all the makeup products, my compact, everything is inside this pouch. So my makeup pouch it is. Next up we have Pond's moisturizer. Then I always carry this Be Safe with me because aircrafts के washrooms मतलब obviously clean होते हैं, but then still for the safer side I prefer to sanitize it first, so it's for toilets only. Then I have this, what do we call it, man? क्या बोलते हैं इसे?
Lens water.
Yeah, so it's called lens water because I'm a chashmish and I cannot wear lens in flight, so I have to wear a lens. So उसके लिए हमेशा ये बॉटल रखना पड़ता है, बहुत भारी हो जाता है बैग, but I don't have any other choice, Then I have my lens case here. Then I have my lens case here. I don't know, मेरे को ना words याद नहीं आ रहे, so it happens. Then there's this glove. Yeah, so there's this glove which we have to carry. It's again a mandate item because there's there's oven in aircrafts and we can't handle hot meals with bare hands, so we have to have this glove with us. Okay, I forgot to keep my apron inside it, but apron is again mandatory item, but I forgot to keep it here, but yeah, it is mandatory. And then we have a uniform here because you always have to carry extra uniform, and again a mandatory item. Then I've got some clothes here, so again one set of formals, one set of casual and nightwear, and your uniform. These are the mandates. So yeah, that's all that I have in my bag, you guys. Let's just list up all the things which are mandatory that you will definitely get to see in a cabin cruise bag. It's your passport, competency card, torch, some loose cells, and yeah, I used to carry BA tube also with me. It's breath analyzer tube, but because of COVID, whenever we go for a flight and if in case we have to do that alcohol test, only then the doctor provides that tube to us. But because not every day we are going undergoing BA because of COVID, that's why I don't have it with me. But generally when it was not a COVID situation at that time, we used to carry BA tube as well. Every individual used to have a BA tube, but now मतलब कभी कभी फ्लाइट्स में आपको BA करना पड़ता है, सो जब भी होता है डॉक्टर प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं, दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट हैव इट विद मी, एल्स वो भी होता है. Then you have your uniform because कभी भी कुछ भी उसमें गिर सकता है and you obviously won't be wearing that uniform. So again, just to have just to be in a safer side, you always keep an extra uniform with you. Then you keep extra gloves, extra apron, and some footwear, of course. So yeah, that's all for the video, you guys. I hope you now know what's there inside a cabin crew bag, and do let me know if you want to make more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just clean my bag now. Thank you, bye bye, take care. And I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.